Alright, so I just came walking out here. I was going to the truck. And then the dogs ran over to this corner. And you'll hear in the video, there's something running off. And it sounded exactly like it was on 2 feet. I came over here. You'll see me recording in the video. Eventually get up on this wood pile. Looking around, I don't see anything. I hear it a little bit. Get all my equipment. I go back there. I sit down 10 minutes, nothing happens. I'm like, well, I better go listen to that video and make sure it was 2 feet. It sounded like 2 feet. And this has got to be the weirdest audio I've ever captured, and that's saying a lot. So I listened to the audio. It's 100% what sounds like to me something running off on 2 feet. The weird part about it is there's a child's voice, is what it sounds like. But it does not sound like English. I didn't hear a voice at all. It's like there's no way a kid's running around out here in the dark. I mean, it's dark, especially over there. Thought, well, maybe it just picked up. I mean, there's a neighborhood 800 yards up on the hill. Maybe it picked a kid up from there. The problem is the cadence matches with the actions. Like there's running and braking, like there's effort given. And the cadence of the voice kind of matches with the footsteps. I don't know how to explain it. I mean, it sounds like gibberish to me. But I definitely think if any of you do audio, anybody that watches this channel does audio and can take the time, it may be worth it. I don't know what I captured. I just don't think it's a kid up on the hill. And it's really weird that I didn't hear it, but that it matches the cadence. Just listen to it. You know, contact me if you're interested in trying to clean it up or whatever. I'll send you the original videos. It's weird. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Definitely sounds like 2 feet. It sounds like running. And it sounds like a, how'd you put it? Or something weird like that. I don't know. Take a listen, see what you think. That's 2 feet.